Hey guys, welcome back to Little Monster Eats. I have here
Brandon.
Brandon's here to help me today. It's been a while since he's been here to help, but we have a little monster meal to share with you guys. Oh, bless you. Okay, we are actually going to be making trail mix. So we're calling it Little Monster Trail Mix, and this is going to be perfect to go back to school or, just have a snack in the car or on your summer picnic. So Brandon's going to help me. This is a great way to get the kids into the kitchen, and today is not requiring any cooking, but there are going to be measurements that we're going to do so you can help your kids learn how to measure and add ingredients, and we're going to mix them together. So we have all the measuring cups here on the side. They're all labeled with the appropriate measurements, and then we have our recipe here and then our ingredients. So go ahead and read your recipe, Brandon. What's the first thing we're going to add? Or what's the first step?
Metal each ingredient and add to large mixing bowl.
Okay, yep, so that's what we're gonna do. So what's the first ingredient?
The type of that cereal.
Okay, so we have here Chex cereal. Okay, and which one's the...
1 cup.
Okay, 1 cup. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this for him, and then he's gonna scoop. Good job. Are you tired? Okay, so what is this? Here you go.
1 cup.
Okay.
1,
Okay, and how many do we need?
3.
Okay. Okay, let's get some more. You want to just try to do this? There you go, that's much faster.
It's a long move.
Okay, then take it out. There you go, perfect. Okay, go ahead. What's that?
2.
2. Okay,
3.
all right. Is that it?
Yep.
What is the next one?
These are those.
Cheese crackers.
What?
All right, and how many cheese crackers do you need to get?
1 cup.
Okay. Again, okay.
Here we go again. Then I want that white.
Okay. All right.
Wow.
Okay, and then what?
Beetroot
Pretzels. Okay.
with 1 foot.
Mhm.
And do that.
Okay. 1/4. So what do you need a total of?
The food.
Yeah, 3/4, but we don't have a 3/4 cup. So we have to use 1/4 plus 1/2 cup to get that right number. Okay, so there you go. Did you get the right ones? Okay, there's your 1/4.
Here we go.
Okay.
The one begin. That might be it.
All right. Okay, good job. Okay, now what's next?
Raisins.
Raisins. And
Raisins.
how many raisins do you need?
1 foot.
1/3 cup.
That right here.
Okay.
That. These are the white. Just drop them. Didn't that a block?
A little bit more. Oh, okay. Okay, it's fine. How about we just add a little bit more? Okay. All right, and then what's next? Oh,
My
this is
favorite
your favorite part. And how much do you need?
1/4.
1/4.
That's my favorite candy.
Yep, it's your favorite candy.
Right there.
Good job. And then the last one.
Pistachio!
All right, so pistachios is Brandon's favorite nut. So we're gonna
We can
use.
add any kind of nut.
Yep, you can add any kind of nut. So peanuts would be good, almonds would be good, but his favorite is pistachios.
Yeah.
So we're doing how many cups?
1.5.
Just 1/2.
1/2 cup.
Okay.
That would be a lot of pistachio and take that, right?
Yep. Because it's your favorite, so we'll put a lot in. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It's okay.
Let's add one more, right?
Okay, there you go. Add one more for the one you dropped. Okay, now what do you do?
Then we get that up.
Okay, now what do you do?
Mix up.
Okay, now hold the bowl with the other hand. There you go. You can mix it with your hands if you want. Is that easier? Actually, no. Let's see. You gotta scoop it down. There you go. You can do one hand. Ooh, it looks yummy. All right, and then what's number 3?
Add it to not bad or Dantino.
Okay, so we have different containers. These are some containers that he would normally take to school. So we have a little container here. So how about you use this spoon and scoop it in here. All right.
Then
Good
it
job.
would be a good though. But gotta add a reason.
Raisins, okay.
Reason one and
Okay, all right, so that one's done. We also sometimes use these cute little Lego boxes, little snack Lego. Okay.
one.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot about pistachio.
Mm-hmm. Look, there's some M&Ms there too. Hey, oh, that's a good scoop. Good job.
Now we
Or
use
the big bag that we can snack
bean
in the car and eat together. All right.
Going with that, the dinosaur was like beanie.
Yeah, the dinosaur says feed me.
It didn't fit a lot of me.
Mm-hmm. So we can share.
Yeah. Ew. What we can eat?
Okay, so this one is super full because he decided to overstuff this, but this is another snack bag. And then whatever we have left, we're just gonna go ahead and put it in this container here. This is an OXO snack container. All right, so mommy's gonna help you pour this. Can you hold the container so I don't?
Wait, wait, now.
Oh, you wanna do it? Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, here you go.
This is go fun.
This is fun. There we go. Okay. And then all right, so this is what we have left in here that he decided to share because I think most of it landed into this bag here. But as you can see, we finished this little monster trail mix. We got a whole bunch out of it, and it was just really fun to do and easy for the kids to learn how to use their cups, right, Brandon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like cooking with mommy?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So again, this is an easy starter recipe for little toddlers to help them get into the kitchen with you. So we're going to be doing some more Little Monster meals along the year, and hope you guys liked what you saw. If you did, please subscribe, and if you want to see more like this, you can leave comments down below. Let us know what you want to see next with me and Brandon here in the kitchen, right? Okay guys, thanks for watching. Have a monsterific day.
Bye.